Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to update a for sale listings buyer agent commission in the REBNY RLS using RealtyMX. Keep in mind that for Hauseit DIY listings or agent assisted FSBO listings, only an increase in the buyer agent commission is allowed. Go to my listings, find the listing that you're taking a look for, hit edit under actions, and then you'll notice that the fee field is at the very bottom. So the most important field here is co-broke. So this is the amount that, for example, Hauseit or the listing brokerage is responsible for splitting commission or offering a commission contractually to all other cooperating brokers, basically all other brokerages who bring a buyer in the REBNY RLS. So on behalf of sellers, the listing broker is responsible for offering this amount. So it's very important to make sure this is the correct percentage. So this currently says 2.5%, and you want to increase it to 3%. And you'll see that this co-broke is correct. It's 3%. This fee percent number doesn't really matter, and it doesn't show up really anywhere. And it's just, this is some metric for essentially how much total commission there is. And obviously the listing arrangement you might have with the seller might be different. Perhaps there's a slightly reduced fee for the listing broker. So this field doesn't matter so much. What's absolutely important is this co-broke field, because this is contractual. If you get it wrong, you'll still owe this percent. The listing broker will be liable. So it's very important to get this right. So let's just try again and just play around with it just to show you how this field works. So if you go back, you'll also notice an interesting quirk in RealtyMX is that, for example, let's say this, basically this field will automatically divide by 2 into this, because they assume, usually it's 50-50. So if it's 7, you'll see it's 6.5. So oftentimes an easier way to do it, if this field doesn't matter so much, which it doesn't, then you can put 5 to easily divide by 2. So if you wanted to update it to 3%, you could have just also done this. And then for example, 6, it automatically divides by 3. Again, this is the most important number. Hit submit, update listing, and you'll notice that, again, this co-broke is correct. It's been updated from 2.5% to 3%. So that is how you change the buyer agent commission or the co-broke that's offered in the REBNY RLS. Using RealtyMX. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.